In a sleepy town, street magician Milo tests a sneeze opener. Hopping chaos sells better than a gentle dove. His card trick backfires, cards scattering like confetti while the crowd streams after them, phones flashing in sync. A rogue rabbit costume explodes into foam, spraying Milo and spectators, as a stray poodle proudly retrieves the wand. A fountain bottle erupts, drenching the front row and turning disappointment into roaring laughter and impromptu standing ovation. Milo shrugs, admits magic thrives on timing and chaos, and earns the town's first unofficial festival trophy for resilience.